So guys, this is the video regarding the speech to text converter using a Python. So in this video we will write a one Python script that will convert any language audio into the text. So let me explain first the flow chart. So first step is the input audio. We will input a one audio, execute a Python script, and it will analyze the your inputted audio, and that audio will automatically convert into the text, and that generated text will we will store into the one file. So you can store into the file, or you can store it in your db, or anything you can do based on your requirement. So let's start writing the script regarding let's start writing a script for a speech to text converter using a Python. So let's start writing the code for speech to text recognition. So first of all, we will import a speech recognition library and initialize as a SR. Then we will define here microphone index. So I have only one microphone. So I will define here a device index like a 0. If you have a multiple, then you can set up a device index based on the microphone input. Then we will initialize here r variable, and we will use a recognizer that will recognize your video, that will recognize your audio. And then we will use a with sr dot microphone as a source. So with will work like that, your microphone is correctly managed or not, and as a source it will import your audio into this script. And then I will print here, please say something. So we can, while we are running this code, that time it will print, and then we will start speaking. And here I have a defined audio variable r dot listen source. So source will be import from here, and this script will listen or audio correctly when you while you are not, until you are not stopping for speaking. Then we will again here print recognizing. Then we will use here try, and then I will here define here text variable and r dot recognize Google. This is a Google speech recognition library, and this audio will come from this variable. And I will define also language here. So why we have to define here language? If your audio language is English, then we can define here en. Otherwise, if your audio language is different, then you can define here your language code. Then I will print here a text that converted from the audio. Here I have defined a unknown value error. This error will come when your audio will not recognize properly. And last error is a request error when API will getting a failed. So this is the speech recognition code, and we will now test the code. So let me try in my laptop. I am run this file. So let's run this script here. Hi, I am Dhawal Tumar from Surat. See, it's completely working fine. So you can try it in your language, and you can use in your project, or based on your requirement. And print here. So guys, this script is working very fine, and this is the small script. And if you want to learn more about Python and AI related things, then you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.